Oh, missed him. Oh, just missed him.
Close.
Right over.
Just over his back. Got him.
Another headshot. Nice one. Look at that shot. Birthday girl? Yeah. Killing it.
Nice.
Birthday fish. That is, what do you call that? You stoned him.
Yeah.
Right?
Stoned
Yep.
him.
Stoned him.
Got him. Oh, you hit him.
Oh, you hit him.
You hit him.
I
You
did
hit
see
him.
that.
Yeah.
It just, yeah, it was a little too far.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just for us now. Yeah, I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. That it feels right. Feels right. So right, so right, so right. I'm just going with the gut. Never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. We know I ain't ballin' yet. Hoes wanna holler, oh no, I don't call them back. Girl, let me see you hold it down, we gon' have a blast. Cause I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that. Ain't gotta say a word, I know what's up. You can have it all, watch me rip it off. I'll admit it, you got me feeling hella loved. Even when it's going down, know that we gon' live it up. Young shot caller, always been a baller. Know that you the one, I can feel it in my heart. Yeah, I won't stop charging me, go and come harder. I can see you and I, way beyond the stars, girl. I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now.
Yeah, we said we let it go, but we settled for the last. Couldn't let you walk
Yes, well done. This is a nice pose. Yes, you did it. Very good. Yes, correct. Wow, well done. Okay, boom. Yes, well done. Okay, boom. Oh, yes. How are you?
Do you remember what's your name? Okay, come, move, wait. Go inside the corner already. Okay, move up. Pull. Up. Okay, step forward. 2 step back. Okay, pull again. Pull up again. Okay, turn. Okay. Pull up, sideways. Pull towards me. Pull sideways towards me. Okay.
Oh, very good.
Oh. Putus.
I got the biggest fish. And I got more fish than 10.
Okay, we hold.
Come, stand inside.
Come in. Give me the rod. Then give me the rod.
Where
Then
is all
you go in.
Asal libat.